guys, I'm back. I've done some of the purpley bits down here, blending it up, and once I've got it on I can play around a bit more with the colours. I'm going to cut out this piece here because I don't want that there. I don't want it to look like it's ending there. So I'm going to cut that bit out. I might put it over the side here or something. And then I'm going to put this piece up here. So I've done a bit of green to blend in, and I'm going to do it on the corner like that. And sort of maybe add a few pieces from here afterwards. We'll see what it looks like and sort of bring it down. So it's going to make a bit of a picture. So I wanted it to sort of look a bit like, you know, skies and trees sort of things up in this area. So I've got my tape here. This is just frog tape. Now I like using frog tape because it doesn't take the paint off. And if you are using this to paint lines or anything anytime, it's fantastic. And I know that it's actually going to hang over the edges a little bit. I know put that down there and hold it in place. I'm going to leave that sticky paper on the front there because it's quite a big piece, and I'm going to need to stick it down while I work with it. I've seen people also use the backing sheet, scrunch it up. I haven't tried this, but we'll give it a good Aussie go, eh? So I've seen them do this. I think I saw Wendy do this. And you can just sort of rub it over if you need to. But I usually use a microfiber. The piece I'm doing it on is going to be, hang on, I'll show you. It's something that I had up at my shop, but I'm going to move it to where I'm having a little sort of like booth area. It's got all shelves and that in it, so I'm going to paint all this differently, and it's on both sides, all those shelves. And that's going to have all my transfers and paints and things. So I thought, bloody Suri. Okay. So that piece is going to be up here. And then I thought I had a little piece that I cut off from the middle here. So I might be able to bring that in up here, I think. Yeah, I'll do that. First of all, that way I'm not wasting any, but it's also joining that sort of section. So I'm adding that in and making it all matching together. So this piece will go up there. So, I mean, I love fuchsia flowers. I think they're just amazing, these ones. Anyway, they're just so beautiful. And when they all hang down like that, it's just so pretty. So, yeah, I really love them. So over here, where I've got a little bit of a line, just where it's finished, I've got a piece of that leftover transfer as well. You know how I cut it off the sides earlier? So I might be able to just sort of join a few bits in there so that it peters out a little bit, sort of feathers out rather than just having a straight line like that. So I'm going to cut off some of these. Okay. So I want to bring this in here somewhere. Somewhere that it looks like it's sort of joined on naturally. There you go, that looks pretty good. If ever you're rubbing on a small piece like this and you're worried about hitting, sometimes you can make a mark, like go over the transfer and make a mark on your painting. Just bring a piece of paper up to it, you know, one piece of your backing or whatever, and lay it next to it so that when you go over, you hit that paper. You're not making a mark on your paint, okay? So you can do that. Now I'm just rubbing on here rather than onto my paintwork. And I'm going to do the same over here. That's where I'm going to put this piece here. I'm going to bring that down so it looks like it's carrying on from that leaf. So I think I'm going to add now, there's a bit of leaf here, and I'm going to add a little piece of this in here and make it look like it, so it looks like it goes on. So I've got a bit of a, yeah, so I've got a bit of a softer edge there. So on this piece here, I'm going to mix up a sort of purpley and these fuchsia colours. So I was using the Dixie Belle Peony, and I've got some amethyst here. And I made my own purple yesterday using the Peony and the Cobalt Blue because they're both really vibrant. Thanks again. See you next time. Bye.